Our kidneys work around the clock, filtering nearly 50 gallons of blood every single day.
The good news?
Some simple drinks may help support hydration, reduce oxidative stress, and promote overall kidney health. Today, we'll explore 7 science-backed drinks that can become part of a healthy lifestyle. Let's get started. Lemons contain natural citrate, which may help reduce the formation of certain kidney stones. It's also an easy way to stay hydrated throughout the day. Simply squeeze half a fresh lemon into a glass of water. Packed with antioxidants called catechins, green tea may help reduce oxidative stress throughout the body. Enjoy 1 or 2 cups daily without too much added sugar. Cranberries may help reduce the risk of certain urinary tract infections, especially in some people. Choose varieties without added sugar for the greatest benefit. This vibrant herbal tea contains plant compounds that may support heart health and healthy blood pressure. Since healthy blood pressure helps protect the kidneys, hibiscus tea can be a smart addition for many adults. Ginger contains natural compounds with anti-inflammatory properties. It may also support healthy digestion while providing a warm and soothing drink. Traditionally, nettle has been used as a mild natural diuretic. Some people use it to support fluid balance, but always consult your healthcare provider before regular use. Naturally rich in electrolytes, coconut water helps maintain hydration after exercise or on hot days. However, people with kidney disease should check with their doctor because coconut water can contain significant potassium. Why these drinks help? These drinks work in different ways. Some improve hydration, others provide antioxidants, and some may help reduce inflammation. Together with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and good blood pressure control, they can support healthy kidney function. Remember, no single drink can cleanse or detox your kidneys. Healthy kidneys already do that naturally. The best approach is staying hydrated, eating a balanced diet, avoiding excessive salt, and following your doctor's advice. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment telling us your favorite healthy drink, and don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.